Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can take a screenshot with the Samsung Galaxy A72. Okay, so there are two ways for. Let me show you the first one. It works with the button. So we will need the power button for and the volume down button. Press these both buttons for short together and you will have a screenshot. After you can see a preview, you can edit the screenshot or share it directly with WhatsApp or Messenger or something like this. So one more time, the power button and the volume down button just for short together, maybe for 1 second, and you will have a screenshot. After, if you tap here on the editing symbol, you have also the opportunity to draw something inside or just to crop a part here of the screenshot, maybe a picture from a website or something like this. And yeah, after you can share this edited part directly, or you can save it directly here with the arrow to your gallery. Yeah, there's a second way to take a screenshot by just using the edge of your palm. If you swipe it across the screen, you will have a screenshot as well. One more time, the edge of your palm, just swipe it across the screen and you will have a screenshot as well. This requires a bit training, but a nice way to have a screenshot. You're going to find the screenshots after, of course, here at the gallery. And as you can see, I had already some tries here. And yeah, what is very nice here at the gallery, at the category albums, the screenshots have their own folder just for screenshots. Yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me some thumb up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And yeah, I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, or maybe just subscribe me. It would be really a pleasure to see you again. And yeah, maybe at the next time. Ciao.